Take a breath in for me. Exhale.
Oh,
All right, little one.
definitely felt that.
Let's put it here. Under a little bit. Pull this arm through. One more breath in. Okay.
I
Little
definitely
release.
felt that.
Little release. Good stuff.
It feels better.
Come on down a little bit for me. Just relax that arm.
I remember when you couldn't even touch that.
Yeah.
I remember we couldn't even put your hand on. I couldn't even.
This, we could barely touch
I
any of
know,
that.
and I'm like, that's nothing. You know, when we do the shockwave, that's
Yeah,
where it
That's
goes.
where it's tender.
But it's much better.